Welcome to your guided central nervous system regulation meditation practice. I'm Amanda Baker, and I'm a licensed clinical social worker and 500-hour trained yoga instructor with a specialty in yoga psychology. And in the busyness of our day-to-day life, we often lose access to that creative, compassionate, calm, safe, secure, vibrant vitality within self. And so I invite you to come into your most comfortable seat, or perhaps lay down, connected to the earth, so that you begin to gain further access and connection to your heart's deepest desire and your truest nature. So come into your connection to the present moment and request your mind to inform your brain to send the signals down into your inner system to soften, to be present. We'll begin with a quick guided progressive muscle relaxation to then enter into your mindfulness and meditative state, that state between asleep and awake. And in this state, you may feel like you are in the midst of a lucid dream that hopefully will feel calm and peaceful as you move through the layers of self. So begin by taking a deep, full breath in. Feel the oxygen move up through your stomach to your ribs, up into your chest. Hold at the top. And then exhale. Let the breath out. Take one more deep inhale up through the center of your stomach, your ribs, chest, collarbone, up into the throat, to the top of your head. Hold and take a deep, full breath out. And begin by noticing your feet, your right foot, your left foot, the toes, the top of the foot, the sole of the foot, the heel. And as you take your next breath in, squeeze your feet and then squeeze up into your calves, your knees, up into your quads, your thighs, your glutes. The whole lower body squeezes as you hold your breath in like you just practiced, and exhale, release the muscles, let the breath out. Notice a shift in your energy, a change in circulation, blood flow, breath. And then take that again. On your next deep breath in, squeeze from your feet up into your calves, your shins, your knees, your quads. Squeeze the whole lower body. Your ability to send the signals to squeeze as you hold your breath at the top, and exhale, release. Now move your awareness and attention up into your hands, your fingers, and your arms. And then as you take your next breath in, begin to make fist with your hands. Squeeze in the upper body, squeeze your arms. Maybe you lift the arms up from the earth. Squeeze in your belly, your chest, your shoulders. Squeeze from your back. And then take your exhale and let it go. Beautiful. And take that again, deep, full breath in as you squeeze in your hands, your arms, your ribs, in your abs, your chest, your shoulders, everything squeezes, and hold, exhale, let it go. Beautiful, release. And bring your attention and awareness up into your head, your neck, your face, your jaw, your forehead, the top of your head, the back of your head. Begin to squeeze, squinch your face, squeeze your eyes, your nose, your lips, and your ears, your throat, the head, full awareness there as you squeeze, and exhale out. And then whole body. Bring your attention to your whole body. And as you take your next deep breath in, begin to squeeze the lower body, the mid body up into your chest, your shoulders, up into your head and your face. Everything squeezes. Maybe you lift the arms again from the ground. Squeeze everything. Hold and exhale. exhale, release, soften. Maybe you take one hand to your heart and one to the belly. Notice the vibration, the energy, your aliveness. And then set your intention, a present-based statement that aligns with you. Your sankalpa, your heart's deepest longing and desire. And invite that intention to fill your whole body on your next inhale, exactly how you desire to feel. Bring it up through your senses and then exhale it out. Share it, set it free. Your sankalpa, your intention exists everywhere. It is a contemplation, a possibility in your imagination as it already exists. Take that again, inhale, fully claim your intention, experience it on the subatomic level in your mind's eye, breath in, and exhale, set it free, share it. It is everywhere. You are everywhere. You may release your hands either down to your legs or by your side. Begin to take in a rotation of consciousness, noticing the back of your throat. Bring your attention to the back of your throat. A stimulation in the back of your throat, clearness. More air moves through you. As you notice the space, the top of your head, above your head, air in space. Begin to bring the air down into the muscles of the brain, softening, loosening your muscles. Notice the muscles in and around your eyes. A clearness in your sight. Attention down in and around your ears and inner ears, ear canal. A quality of sound, soothing sound. The sound of my voice, your own inner sounds. Cheekbone, nose and nostrils, fresh air that moves in through your nostrils and out. Attention down into your jaw, your lips, your teeth, your tongue, mouth, roof of the mouth, whole mouth, spacious, dry, and satiated at the same time. Attention down your neck and shoulders, right shoulder, right arm, upper arm, elbow, forearm, wrist, hand, fingers, thumb, pointer finger, middle finger, ring finger, pinky finger, whole hand, center of your right palm. Alive, radiant, tingle with sensation. Attention through your right arm, back up into your right shoulder, collarbone, left shoulder, left arm, forearm, elbow, upper arm, whole arm, down to your wrist, hand, fingers, thumb, pointer finger, middle finger, ring finger, pinky, tips of your left fingers, alive, radiant, filled with sensation, a part of you in the center of your left palm. Back up the left arm and right into the center of your heart. A stirring in the center of your heart, beating, pulsing, breathing life into you in your fullest form and formlessness at the same time in energy. Heart has thousands and thousands and thousands of neurons that are more powerful than your brain. Mind aware of your heart. Allow the energy of your heart to expand down into the center of your stomach, down deeper and deeper and deeper, down, 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 down. Right hip, right leg, right thigh, right knee, right shin, right calf, right ankle, right foot, top of your foot, sole of your foot, toe, big toe, next toe, third toe, fourth toe, pinky. The sole of your right foot, heel, whole foot, the nerve endings of your foot, alive, grounded, rooted in your values, your ancestry, all connected. Back up the right leg, right hip, lower organs, thighs, inner thighs, groin. Left hip, left leg, left thigh, left knee, left shin, left calf, left ankle, top of your left foot, toes, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, pinky, sole of your left foot, heel, alive, rooted, grounded, harmonized from the root to the top of your head, in balance, connected. Back up through the left leg, bottom, sit bone, low back, mid back, upper back, aware of your whole spine, opening, clearing and cleansing underneath your shoulder blades, upper, traps, neck, back of your head, top of your head, whole head in space. Whole body, your body. This is you, true you, here in this moment. Aware of your body, breathing your breath, and your breath, breathing your body. Notice the whole right side of your body. The whole right side. Tingled and alive, radiant, connected, attuned to your highest wisdom. Attention to the whole left side of your body. Whole left side of your body, attuned, aware, present. The right side and the left side, both sides together. imagination, a creative being activated with pure presence, trust, secure, safe, greater access with self. May you bask here in your own breath. Replicating for you. Beginning to awaken as you come back to the room. Notice the tips of your toes and the tips of your fingers, the space below your nostrils and just above your lip, the tip of your tongue on the roof of your mouth. May start to wiggle these places. A flutter in your heart, an ease in your belly, a clearing in your breath, a softening the muscles of your brain. And slowly can bring your eye gaze to your surroundings. Perhaps you open your eyes, notice the spaces around you, the sounds you hear, your felt sense of touch. Thank you so much for showing up for yourself and practicing with me in this variation of muscle relaxation and mindfulness meditation. Integration of yoga and psychology. Feel free to comment, like, subscribe, and please keep coming back. You amaze me. Namaste.